beautiful ladies, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to try another hairstyle, and today we are going to try on a headband wig. Man, these wigs are a life changer. They are so good. So we currently have these wigs on our website zeelions.com. Check them out. We currently have free shipping on certain orders, so check them out. This particular one is 10 inches and it's very good. It's very soft, very good hair. So I'm going to begin by washing it out and defining my curls, and then I'll go ahead and style it. Then you'll see how it will look. But with my washing, I will be using this 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner from Tresemme. It's very good. And then once I'm done with that, I'll let it air dry a little bit, and then I'll continue with my session. So that's our wig for today. I'm really excited to see how this will turn out. Okay, and then with my hair, I will lay my edges a little bit so that we have a neat front. So now I'm going to go ahead and define my curls. I'm going to use Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, and I'll use Strictly Curls by Mark Anthony. And then we'll see how we get this. Okay, so this is how our wig is. And this is how I tucked away my hair. So let's go ahead and put on our wig. So there are combs, little combs. I'm going to push them inside. And the same this side. And then I'll tie this to the back. I love this hair. This has turned out so well. And basically this is how the headband wig comes out. So Now you could decide to put another headband to cover up this black band. I love this wig. It is so simple to style. It is so quick to style. And they're just so convenient. So anyway, check out this wig. We are selling them on our website, zeelions.com. We currently have free shipping on certain orders. So come on over, check out these wigs. So this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this video. Those who are new, thank you so much for coming by. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.